Hello friends, welcome back to our Node Monitor channel. So today we will see debouncer, switch debouncer. So what does it mean actually? That means if press a switch, there is a chance that closes the circuit and again momentarily opens the circuit for some time. It may so happen because springs are inside these switches. So there may be some bouncing effect may happen. So we have to nullify that. Today's circuit is about that. This is we will make a switch debouncer using Arduino, and we will be using one delay for that. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe. Thank you. So this is the Arduino Uno board, and this is the breadboard for necessary connections, and I have taken some jumper wires. So and I am using one single channel relay here, and one for demo purpose I have connected one bulb. Okay, let's proceed. So this is the from tutorial example we have taken debouncer. These are the hardware requirements. You can pause the video and you can see the schematic diagram and the connection diagram. This is the code. We are making this Key-Debounce for on-off switch. Key-Debounce it suppresses noise, and when you press the button it should go high to low or high to low. I have done a little bit modifications in this code, and some global variables we have taken, like ledState, buttonState, lastButtonState, last debounce time, debounce delay. So debounce delay is the time till that time the switch waits. Here I have taken 500, means till 500 millisecond it will wait. So inside the setup code, just we have made this pin mode input and output. Pin number 2 is input and pin number 13 output. The ledState to pin number 13. In this loop code, the important thing you see, from line number 38 to 40, it checks the current state. If not equal to last state, then it will wait for that delay, time delay we have given. And if it find this button is pressed for 500 milliseconds, then it will change the state of the load. Okay, I have done all programming, and you can find the code in the description. And I have made all necessary connections. I have taken +5 volt and ground from Arduino Uno. Pin number 13, when it will go low, it will operate the relay. NO contacts will be closed and the bulb will glow. So only we have used one external component, that is 10 kilo ohm for pull down resistor, that will be pulled down from pin number 2 to ground. Okay, when we press this switch, we are supplying 5 volt to the pin number 2 of Arduino. Okay, so now I will give you a demo. You see, now the bulb is off. I will press this switch. You see, this is open. Again press the switch, goes off. Right? Okay, let's see. I will press the switch for a short term. You see, it has no effect, right? Why? Because we have made the debouncer circuit. That means the switch should be pressed for at least 500 milliseconds. Yes, you can see the effect. Okay, that's all in this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.